Namaskar and good morning. For a change, today we'll see a public sector bank which has performed reasonably. It has made a profit instead of a loss. Therefore, we'll see Bank of India, a big bank, public sector bank, with reference to its Q1 FY21 results. The management is headed by Padmanabhan, G. Padmanabhan, Chairman, Atanu Kumar Das, Managing Director and CEO. Now, first we'll take a look at the results a little in depth. Interest earned. Of that, interest on bills 7,025 crores. Previous quarter 7,250 crores. Its previous quarter 7,379 crores. Its previous quarter 7,380 crores. The fifth previous quarter, that is June Q1 of last year, 6,966 crores. So approximately there is no change. So interest on bills is the same. Then income on investment 2,820 Q1 of this year, 2,785 previous quarter Q4, 2,727 its previous quarter, 2,600 its previous quarter, 2,643 its previous quarter. So year-on-year growth is 6.67%. Quarter-on-quarter growth is 1.2, approximately the same thing. Interest on balances with the RBI 383 crores. Here, year-on-year 45% growth is there, quarter-on-quarter minus 21%. So, other income is 1,736 crores. Previous quarter, Q4, 1,708 crores. Its previous quarter, 2,523 crores. Its previous quarter, 1,347 crores and 42% growth year-on-year. And 1.61% growth quarter-on-quarter. So basically income has not grown. Now interest expended 6,773 crores. Previous quarter 6,757 crores. Its previous quarter 6,744 crores. Its previous quarter 6,817 crores. Its previous 6,871 crores. So approximately the same thing. Interest expended also there is no change. 5 quarters approximately similar. Employees cost similar, 1,464 around that. Other expenses have come down a little, 927 crores, come down by 10%. Year on year 21%, quarter on quarter. Only other expenses has come down. Now operating profit is 2,857 crores. Previous quarter 2,669 crores. Its previous quarter 4,158 crores. Its previous quarter 2,481 crores. Its previous quarter 2,286 crores. So year on year growth is 25%. Quarter on quarter growth is 7%. Operating profit. Because other expenses, etc., some small reduction is there. Provisions. So this is important. See, whatever we have said so far, income, expenditure, approximately same thing. Operating profit 2,857 crores, okay, reasonable. But it is the same thing in the previous quarters also. Now, where the change comes is provisions, etc. 1,516 crores is the provisions. Previous quarter 8,155 crores. So NPS effect was higher in previous quarter. This quarter NPS effect is lower. Its previous quarter 4,000 crores. Its previous quarter 2,000. Its previous quarter 2,000. So provisions have come down by 21% year on year and by 81% quarter on quarter. So provisions has made the big difference. So NPAs are expected to be lower. That is important. Profit before tax is 1,341 crores compared to a loss of 5,485 crores in the previous quarter. just 130 crores in its previous quarter, 421 crores its previous quarter, 363 crores its previous quarter. Therefore, profit before tax has grown by 269% year on year, and sizably by quarter on quarter also. Previous quarter was a loss actually, now profit. Previous quarter was a huge loss of 5,485 crores, now profit of 1,341 crores. And net profit also similar, 851 crores. After tax, 851 crores is the net profit. Previous quarter loss of 3,569 crores is previous quarter, gain of profit of 116 crores is previous quarter, 278 crores is previous quarter, 246 crores. Now net profit has grown by 246% year on year, and huge, because previous quarter was loss, hugely in the quarter on quarter. Now equity is 3,277.66 crores. Now let us look at the analytical ratios. Percentage of shares by the government, 89.1%. Now this is going to change. That's what we are going to see. Basic EPS is plus 2.58, previous quarter minus 10.99. So year on year growth is 427%, quarter on quarter also huge growth. NPS, let us see. Now percentage of gross NPA is 13.86. It has come down from 14.73 in the previous quarter, 16.3 its previous quarter, 16.31 its previous quarter, 16.44 its previous quarter. So percentage of gross NPAs have come down by 16% year on year and 6% quarter on quarter. That is good for NPAs have come down. That is good for Bank of India. Percentage of net NPAs similarly have come down to 3.57% from 3.87% in the previous quarter, 5.97% its previous quarter, 5.87% its previous quarter, 5.78% its previous quarter. Therefore, there is a reduction of 38% in the percentage of net NPAs year on year. Likewise, quarter on quarter also there is a reduction of 8%. That is significant for Bank of India. NPAs are coming down. At least in this quarter they have come down significantly. Return on assets is plus 0.5. 0.5 is very minimum, but previous quarters are nil, dull. So 400% increase is there. Market price currently is around 53. Price earning is around 5. Price earning is just 5. So it looks a little attractive. 52-week low was 0.45. It has gone to so low. Now 52-week high is 85.9. Now it is at 53. It looks a little attractive, it seems. If NPAs are held down like this. Now annually, if you see, interest earned was around 42,000 crores always in the last 5 years. Other income 6,800 crores, approximately the same thing, but 5 years before it was 3,600. Total income 49,000 latest quarter, previous quarter 46,000, previous quarter 44,000, this previous quarter 46,000, its previous quarter 45,000. Anyway, 49,000 crores is the total income latest. Operating profit is 11,595. Now we are talking about annual. March 20 year we are finding operating profit is 11,595 crores. Now that is the highest in the last 5 years. Provisions 12,000. That is previous year 12,000. Its previous year 10,000. Its previous year 16,000. Its previous year 12,000. Its previous year 14,000. So provisions have been high during the last 5 years. Now profit before tax was always negative, minus 1,288 last year, that is March 20 year. Its previous year minus 2,000, its previous year minus 8,000, its previous year minus 2,400, its previous year minus 8,000 crores. So it was running in loss up to the last year. Only now it has turned the corner. The latest quarter Last 5 years are gone. The latest quarter is good. That is what interesting about it. Now, historical costs. See, if 3 years before it was 144, now 55. So there is a reduction in the price of Bank of India by 67%. 2 years before it was 96 rupees. The reduction now 55, 49% reduction. 1 year before 66.6%. So there is a reduction of 28%. 3 months before the price was 31. Now it has gone to 55. So something is happening in Bank of India. Something good is happening. Provisions have come down. NPAs have come down. But income has not increased much. Expenditure has come down slightly. But important thing is NPAs are coming down, provisions are coming down. If the trend holds, Bank of India can return back to normalcy. What has happened in the last 5 years is not normal. Now, now if you look at the shareholding pattern, it is 89.1% for the last 4-5 years. That has not changed, pledged nothing. FII is very little, 0.39%. Mutual fund 0.43%, DIA 6.44%. Now the latest Bank of India, what it has done is the bank wants to raise 16,000 crores from the public. The bank says it plans to raise fresh equity to an amount of 8,000 crores in such a way that the government shareholding does not fall below 51%. So government wants to retain its Bank of India will remain a public sector bank, but a huge amount is to be raised as equity. So it plans to raise up to 16,000 crores overall, 8,000 crores through equity, 16,000 crores through shares and bonds. There will be an extraordinary general meeting on September 9th. There it will be placed, this resolution. And it will be seeking approval for issuing perpetual debt instruments, non-convertible debentures, etc. for 8,000 crores. So we have seen shares 8,000 crores and other things 8,000 crores. So the allotment of securities, how it will be done? Through QIP, qualified institutional placement, and public issue also, right issue also, private placement, etc., etc., etc. So now Indian banking system is implementing Basel III guidelines from April 2013 in a phased manner, and the norms are to be fully implemented by September 30th, 2020, next month. So the bank has been growing very diligently and cautious for the last many years. Now there is an additional requirement, long-term capital is required. And it will seek shareholders' permission for appropriation of accumulated losses from the share premium account. There is a share premium account. There sufficient amount is there. Securities premium amount 35,332 crores is there. Now accumulated losses are there 23,782. Set off. Make losses zero. Now share premium account will come down by that amount, but it will go up by the amount to be raised through right issue, public issue, etc. So some things are happening. It has also turned the corner in the latest quarter. I hope it will repeat the performance in the coming quarters also. So if banks, public sector banks are under constant watch, they can make profits. Government has to realize the question of amalgamation, privatization, these things should end. I would appeal to the government also. Don't go for too much of mergers, too much of the privatization talk should die down. They should be managed efficiently. That is what is required. If they are managed efficiently, if you don't give fresh NPS, fresh loans which are likely turned bad, the banks will come out. That's all, very simple. So Bank of India is like that. Thank you for listening. I'll be back with you with another good proposition.